Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. In today's video, we're going to go through this new potential law that's going to affect all the motorists and pedestrians as well, because it's really because of the pedestrians that it's going to affect us. And let's just see what they're saying. So, Fury, nonsense plan to prioritize pedestrians over motorists with a new red light law. Let's see what they're saying. Pedestrians should not be prioritized over motorists, according to the new poll, after Sadiq announced radical plans to change the red light law in London. Let's see what he's saying. Okay, let's see. Does it click? It doesn't click. Let's carry on reading anyway. Transport for London (TfL), which is run by the Mayor of London, has confirmed plans to convert 18 pedestrian crossings with a green person authority technology, giving people walking priority over cars. Under the scheme, a crossing will show a continuous green person signal until traffic approaches. Interesting. So let's see how this works. Plans are underway for it to be brought in as easily as next month in Tower Hamlets, Newham, Hounslow, Richmond and Hillingdon. TfL hopes the initiative will increase the number of journeys made by foot, reduce the number of cars, and made London a greener place. But it has drawn criticism from many, including London Taxi Group, which argues the capital needs free-flowing traffic in order to function. And as a driver, I would actually agree with that. But obviously, you guys might not agree with my opinion or this opinion here from London Taxi Group. So it looks like pedestrians should not have the priority. So it looks like this could be the traffic light. It's going to be on continuous green, and then when traffic approaches, it changes to red. I think that's how it works. Let's see. Plans could increase the number of red traffic lights in London, so a lot of waiting time for us drivers. A subsequent poll, more than about 2,000 people readers have found the vast majority of people are against the new plans. So let's all first of all thank Sadiq Khan for all this. And comment below, let me know what you guys think. Do you think this is actually beneficial or not? I mean, you guys might not be drivers yet watching this video, but what do you guys think from your perspective? The survey took place, I forget when it takes place. Should pedestrians be prioritized over motorists with new traffic light law? 80% thought pedestrians should not be prioritized and voted no. 12% said yes. Meanwhile, less than 1% remained unsure. Okay. A number of Passion Express readers let their opinion known in the comment section. Yeah, you can read it below. Who else? Okay, Nick, TfL's head of network performances, said, "We know that walking is a brilliant way for people to make local journeys, boosting activity levels or cutting the number of car trips and the associated congestion and pollution they can cause. We're determined to make it easier for people to cross the road and to give people the space they need to walk safely. And these initiatives will make a difference in enabling more people to access the local high street shops and other businesses in a sustainable way." Walking cycling commissioners added, "Walking has so many benefits. It doesn't just enable us to get from A to B, but also improves our mental and physical health. We know that safety is a key concern for people walking around London, and giving pedestrians priority is a powerful way of putting them first and making it easy to cross London." So there you have it. That's a potential scheme. It seems like they're going to introduce in about 3 or 4 boroughs first, and then from there it may go nationwide. So we'll have to see. What do you guys think? Is it a good idea or is it a bad idea? I mean, if you guys go down to Chiswick High Street, for those who don't live here, basically it used to be quite a wide road, and then they introduced like a cycle lane on either side of it, and they're proposing it. But then after literally 6 months, they blocked the cycle lane off, left the cycle lane there. The roads are now narrowed down, like extremely narrow, with a bus stop as well, so people can't even go around the buses anymore. And they've closed the cycle lane and left it because now they're kind of considering to change their mind, or they're just having different plans now. So obviously we hope that who's ever come up with the ideas, that they just follow it through and stick by it. If you want to disagree, then disagree now before you introduce all of these things and testing it, while us motorists are now being affected. So literally, if you drive down Chiswick nowadays, so much traffic, you can't get through. The cycle lane isn't in operation, which they introduced. So it's just a bit silly in that sense. But what can you do? We're just people at the end. We're just following whoever's planning all this. We just have to follow the rules at this stage. But obviously, you can always make complaints. Always have like a group here and have your voice heard in in those situations. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe with FM Driving School. Do check us out at fmdrivingschool.co.uk for all the latest tips and news. And thank you again for watching.